I want to interact. We could build friendship. We could build good relationship. You never can tell. One check no one is talking. You never reach. What's the mean for it to reach? Count how much this a reintroduction of myself because I know that I got some new followers. If you've not been able to go down memory lane in the video to know who this girl is and what she does, okay, I'm a mom of two living in Nigeria, Portharcourt to be precisely. Yes. How did you start watching me? Let me not just do introduction of myself. I want to be able to chat and connect with my subscribers. What do you guys think? Please, if you watch my video 1 minute, 2 minutes, it wouldn't hurt. Like, and I want to know how you came across my channel. Where are you watching me from? Port Nigeria. Where in Nigeria are you watching me from? Port Harcourt, Lagos, Enugu, anywhere you're watching me from. I would like to know in the comments. Okay. So without further ado, this is just a weekend in life. How are you guys doing? How is work? How is family? How is everything? I want us to chat. I want to connect with you people. So please, the comment section is not running away from you. It's so hot if you type. I know that someone told me that she watches on her TV, that she's not able to comment. But please, like anyhow, you can use your phone because of me. Okay, please just comment. So I want to come. I want to interact. We could build friendship. We could build good relationship. You never can tell. Okay, so if you like my content, please let me know in the comments if there's anything whatsoever you want to see from this girl. I know that we are small, yes, but by the special grace of God, we'll be growing. So if you've loved the series that I've been putting so far about motherhood content, working mom shenanigans, and you love it here, let me know. Okay, so I'm currently done with work and what's my itinerary for the weekend? I want to stop by to buy eggs, buy a few things from the mall. I think soy sauce. Yes, I've been seeing soy sauce. The brand I use, I don't know whether the brand don't change. I use Amoy. I don't know whether the brand has changed though, or they have brother or sister. I see Amoy is Amoys, but what I see in the store these days, I see Anqy. I see Amqy. I see A N, as the names they a lot. Please, if you've noticed this change or if they see the same thing, let me know. Let's not go and buy a craco in the market. Let's not go and buy. And you see them in big malls. So it's not as if it's in the local market. Inside mall, like I saw. I'll show you guys when I get to the mall. The only place that I saw the normal one I buy is in the big bottle, and I think I'll stick with that. Before I go and buy, I don't want what I ordered versus what I got. So thank you guys for subscribing. If you're not subscribed to this point, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and let me know where you're watching Chika Oputa from. Like I said, I'm a YouTuber based in Portharcourt, Nigeria. I'm mom of two. I'm a working mom. Yes. And what else would you want to know from me? Let me know in the comments. In the comments. I'm a small YouTuber. I've been consistent for the past 6 months to the best of my knowledge since last year, but I've been posting intentionally since this year. So if you love what you see here, do give this girl a thumbs up. Let me be encouraged to do more, okay? Without further ado. Are they fine? How much be egg? Welcome. Egg in there, you see that thing there?
What was the irony or what is behind this thing? That gas finishes only on Sundays. Please, am I the only one on this table? Because I really want to find out. Me, my gas finishes on Sundays. I've gone to get extra. I have calm gas and I have normal cylinder that I use. But this one, it finished on a Saturday. And I was cooking. Oh boy. It's really very funny because I've thought of this thing even when I was living with my parents. Now I'm living in my house. I'm living in my husband's house. And my gas still finishes on Sundays. I'm like, is there anywhere that is written in this constitution as gas industry or people that make gas that gas finishes on Sundays? Because guys educate me. So this is a sign that you should go get an extra cylinder if you don't have. Because it has even happened to me one school morning before I got my own school morning before. So now see this thing I was telling you guys, Amoy. Because are they all the same brand or In fact, I don't know. At this point, I got this big one because that's the one this is the brand I know, and that's what I'm using now. So this is me when I was cooking downstairs. That's on the camp gas before I migrated upstairs. You guys will see, my husband was around. He had to go help me get, because my children were around. I'm not someone that is comfortable with cooking on camp gas. I don't like that sound that the gas makes. It does. I already made okra soup, and I finished making the okra soup before the gas finished. So now the gas don't come. I don't mind it go upstairs. This my egusi soup was giving everything needed to give. Oh boy, egusi soup, okra soup, they are stable meals in my house. So thank you guys for watching. Do you make your egusi with uziza? Oh boy, try it. It's a game changer if you've not done it before. Thank you.
Something happened recently that is prompting me to make this video and use this to close out the vlog. We call ourselves Christians, but it doesn't show in our everyday lives. Being a Christian shouldn't only be exhibited in the church. Being a Christian shouldn't only be exhibited within your local environment, like in your family or your house. It should cross across board. Whatever you're doing, be it at work, school, your children's doing, in every little thing you are doing, being a Christian should show. You shouldn't limit it to, hey, I'm being too churches. You shouldn't limit it to, they'll say that I'm bringing in the God factor too much. Without the God factor, self, are you living? Are you living? Something happened recently and it really struck me. I have someone in my circle that happens, I'm not judging though, that happens to be a Sunday school teacher, that happens to carry church on her head, that happens to preach or talk, but in that you should find something. The two of us did something and she went to just single-handedly get her own so that she'll be exonerated and she won't be seen as the bad one. Well, me will not be the bad person, the person that is nonchalant, the person that doesn't take anything seriously. And at the end of the day, at what goal? What's your main reason for behaving like that? And when she was confronted, she was like that, if I was to be the one, that would not do any better. And I'm like, okay, since you're this person, why don't you now show me how to do it? Why do you need to do what you feel that I will do to be able to pass a message? And I'm like, no, let people see God in your doings. It shouldn't just be, what would they say behind doors when you're not around? What would be said at closed doors, really, when you pass, they'll say, what does this person reflect? When you're no longer there, like I always say, what's the value that people will milk out from your existence? You shouldn't just be the normal, hey, this, that. It should be extraordinary. Well, everybody cannot be chica, but this Christianity will preach, we should learn to live like Christ. We won't get it 100%, yes, but in your own way, show up the little way you can. This heat, is it reaching your people's side? Because it's too much in this area, in this place. Because I wonder how pregnant women are doing in this period. So please, put God first in everything you're doing. This is not even in your doings. Less, aside the fact that we'll pray every day, we'll fast, but let it show in your doing. When if you're in a room, they say murder this person, and you see that what this person, even if it's wrong, what will you say? Would you like to say give this person a second chance, or will you chorus like every other person will say murder this person? Let me just drop this thing with you guys. Thank you guys for watching and engaging in my vlog so far. For my 208 subscribers, prophesying in advance because I'm 279 now. So by the time this video goes up, I pray that we're 280. Road to 300 by God's grace. If you've not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? If you like it here, please like, share, and comment. Turn on the feed. I post on Sundays, 6 p.m. West African time. Short Saturdays, Fridays, within the week, whenever it comes across you. Please like, okay?